how to transfer money on Aircash step by step. So of course, if you want to be able to do this, you're going to have to download and install the Aircash app on your phone, create and have yourself a verified account, and make sure you have money in your actual wallet. But once you have all of that done, you should be able to see a send button directly in your dashboard, and once you press and send, you will get these options. So you can send it to someone else with a verified Aircash wallet, so make sure it is that case. So you're gonna need sufficient balance in your wallet before sending money, of course. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and put in the phone number of the recipient, choose the number code from which country they are, and finally put in the amount you want. You can also put in a message to whoever you want. So this is optional, but once you press on send, it's gonna review the transfer details and you're gonna have to confirm the transfer. You should get a confirmation message once the money has been sent. But that's pretty much the process on how to transfer money on Aircash. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.